Is your mouse causing you unnecessary stress? Try removing it from the USB port and plugging it into a different one. This will help to determine if the issue is with the mouse or the USB port itself. If the mouse starts working, you may need to replace the motherboard on your device to fix the USB port. Is your mouse still not working? Is it by chance plugged into a USB hub? If you haven't done so already, plug the mouse directly into a free USB slot on your device instead. This can help to confirm if the issue is with the USB hub. USB hubs can sometimes have driver or power issues. You might consider purchasing a compatible power cable for the hub and downloading the correct drivers from the manufacturer's website. Replacing the hub entirely is also an option. If your mouse still isn't working, we need to get a bit more technical. First, uninstall the HID driver and the mouse drivers through Device Manager, then restart your device. You can use keyboard commands like Tab or the arrow keys for this process. The driver might be corrupt or malfunctioning. After uninstalling, restart your device, and it should reinstall the drivers automatically. If not, try downloading the correct drivers from the manufacturer's website. Search for something like Logitech mouse drivers, if that's your brand. Here are a few quick checks if your mouse still isn't working. For a wireless mouse, the battery might be drained, or there could be something blocking the optical or laser lens. Try replacing the batteries and make sure the power button is on. Additionally, check and remove any debris stuck to the bottom of your mouse. If this video wasn't helpful in any way, I can only apologize. Hopefully you can leave a comment in the comment section and the Snippet IT community will be able to help out. See you in the next one.